Here's how you can make cheesy, thick-cut French fries. Ingredients. 1. Potatoes, russet or Yukon Gold work well. 2. Olive oil or vegetable oil for frying. 3. Salt and pepper to taste. 4. Shredded cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, or your favorite melting cheese. 5. Optional toppings, chopped green onions, crispy bacon bits, jalapenos, sour cream. Instructions. Prepare the potatoes. 1. Scrub the potatoes clean and peel them if desired. 2. Cut the potatoes into thick, fat fries, about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch thick. 2. You can cut them into wedges or rectangular shapes, depending on your preference. Preheat the oil. 1. In a large pot or deep fryer, heat the oil to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. 1. Make sure you have enough oil to fully submerge the fries. Fry the potatoes. 1. Carefully add the cut potatoes to the hot oil in batches, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. 1. Fry for about 5-6 minutes, or until they are just starting to turn golden but are still soft. Drain and cool. 1. Remove the fries from the oil using a slotted spoon or spider strainer and transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. 1. Let them cool slightly. Double fry for crispiness, optional. 1. Once all the batches are fried and slightly cooled, increase the oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Fry the potatoes in batches again until they are golden brown and crispy, about 2-3 minutes. 2. This double frying method ensures extra crispiness. Season the fries. 1. Transfer the fries to a large bowl and season with salt and pepper while they're still hot. Add cheese and toppings. 1. Arrange the seasoned fries on a baking sheet in a single layer. 2. Sprinkle shredded cheese generously over the fries, covering them completely. 3. Optionally, add toppings like chopped green onions, crispy bacon bits, or jalapenos. Broil in the oven. 1. Preheat your oven's broiler. 2. Place the baking sheet in the oven and broil for 2-3 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Serve. 1. Once the cheese is melted and bubbly, remove the baking sheet from the oven. 2. Serve the cheesy beefy fries immediately while hot, optionally with sides like ketchup, ranch dressing, or sour cream for dipping. Enjoy your homemade cheesy, thick-cut French fries.